Today we're gonna make jalapenos done with bacon, cheddar cheese, and goat cheese. So I have here goat cheese. You can use cream cheese, and I got the cheddar cheese, and I cut the jalapenos already, and I fried the bacon and I chop it in little pieces like this. So what I'm gonna do now, make sure you preheat your oven 350 degrees. Now I'm gonna take this. I am gonna show you. I'm gonna put some olive oil, a little bit, sprinkle. Just do like this. Okay, put this on the side. Now you're gonna take the bacon, you're gonna put this in the cream cheese, the goat cheese. You can use the cream cheese too. And you put the bacon here. And you mix this. Make sure you mix this real good. So after you're done mixing, I mix with my hands. You can use with fork. So, and you just gonna stuff like this. Put this in here. And you're gonna do this with all your jalapenos. I'm gonna put it in the oven for 350 degrees, maybe for 10, for 15 minutes. I like my little bit burn and crispy, so it depends how you like them. So they're done. I baked them about 15 minutes. Some cheeses fall over. You just put it like this. But it tastes really good. So if you like my video, please subscribe, share, and like, and enjoy. And thank you for watching.